Welcome students. In this class we are going to understand some more quantifiers. For example, little, a little, the little, few, a few and the few. Apart from it, we will also understand the uses of many and much, which are other important quantifiers. So let us understand. Many, much, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. In today's class, we will understand about these quantifiers. So let's proceed. Many. It is used with countables. With countables and much. It is used with uncountables. There are many students in the class. There are many students in the class. This is one example, and another. There is much noise in the class. So here you can see the example of countables and uncountables. Noise is uncountable, students are countable. So this is the use of many and much. Now we are going to understand the use of little, a little, the little. So let's understand. Little, a little, the little. Little. It gives negative meaning. It gives negative meaning. There is little sugar in the container. There is little sugar in the container. It means hardly much. Hardly much. It will be of not any use. You can't prepare tea. It is so less. So there is little sugar in the container. This is the example. There is little hope. There is little hope for the patient. There is little hope for the patient. It means the patient will not survive. And now you see the use of how a little is used. There is a little sugar in the container. It means you can prepare a cup of tea. It is not much but enough for the present use. Okay. It is taken in the positive way. Okay. There is a little hope for the patient. There is a little hope for the patient means the patient might survive. Okay? We are saying it positively. Now see the little. The little means hardly sufficient. Hardly sufficient. Hardly sufficient, but whole. But whole. I used the little sugar of the container for preparing the tea. I use the little sugar in the container for preparing the tea. It means it was not sufficient for making the tea, but I used the whole. Okay? So I hope you have understood the difference between little, a little, the little. Now we will understand the difference between few, a few and the few. Few, a few and the few are used in the same way as we use little, a little and the little. The only difference is that few, a few and the few are used with the countable nouns, and here little, the little, a little, these are used with uncountables. This is the major basic difference. So now let's understand how it happens. Few, a few, the few. Okay? Few, a few, the few. Just see example. There were few students in the class. There were few students in the class means it was very low strength. It was below the expectation. Okay, it is used in a negative way. Few is used in the negative way. Okay, in a negative way. Few were invited to the party. Few were invited. Few were invited few were invited to the party. It means we are using it in the negative way. Not many people were invited. So it is used in a negative way, and it is used with the countables as I have told you. Now a few. A few is used positively. Example, a few students were present. A few students were present in the class. A few students were present in the class, so we are taking it positively. Okay, it gives a positive sense. Now the few. It also means not sufficient in number but whole. The few rupees I had in my pocket, I gave these to my brother. I gave these to my brother. It simply means it was not sufficient. This amount was not sufficient for my brother, but I gave whatever money was I was having in my pocket. Okay. So I hope you have understood what is the difference between few, a few, the few. Okay. So we are going to finish this discussion because this discussion is now over. We will meet in the next class. So let me remind you, if you are a regular student, you recommend the channel to your friends and well-wishers. And if you are a new one, then you subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.